It's a 2002 Blaster. It's a two-stroke, 200cc ball of fire. 6-speed transmission, chain drive, good suspension. Set up for an entry-level sport rider. How would that look under the Christmas tree?